Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be ice fishing, riding the snowmobile, and of course making some sausages in the open fire. This time I have my girlfriend Amanda with me, and I'm gonna be pulling her on the sled with the snowmobile. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Today we're gonna be doing some ice fishing with my girlfriend Amma. And this time I actually got the snowmobile with me. I had some troubles with the snowmobile, but I actually was able to fix it and now it's working perfectly. Or at least I hope so. My girlfriend is 9 months pregnant at this time, so we're actually having our first family trip together. So fingers crossed we won't go through the ice this time. The ice is super thick here. Oh, this was a really bad spot. This was all for nothing. This is the bottom of the lake. I can feel it. There's like, the ice is like half a meter, and after the ice there's like 10 centimeters of water. And after that we hit the bottom. So not a good spot. Okay, my next idea would be to go near that orange pole. I think we should try there. We have abandoned the snowmobile now. And of course, someone else has had the same idea as me. Yeah, I could use these pre-drilled holes. I think the blades are in not that good of a condition because it's so hard to break through the ice. Then let's drill another hole for Amma. That's the spot she wants. And some of you smart guys told me that I should get one of these spoons so you get the slush out. Last time the red maggots worked really well, so I'm going to try them out again. If there's anything down there, it's for sure going to love this one. Oh no! My precious maggots! 99 cents. She's doing a wheelie. A wild dog appeared. I'm thinking about moving spots real soon because there's no action here. I've got action here. I think so. Okay, so one worm has been eaten. So someone's definitely down there. I'm gonna add some more worms. This has to be the juiciest bait any fish down there has ever seen. All of the hooks have maggots on them. And this also happens to me quite often. The tip gets frozen so the line doesn't go through. Yeah, we decided that it's time to switch spots now. We only got a little bit of action, but nothing major. And we've been here for a while already, like maybe half an hour. There's a dock there, not that far away, so I think we'll head that way. Oh yeah, and this time we have ice spikes on us. Amma also has some ice spikes on her neck. They're used just in case that if you fall through the ice, there's a way that you can actually get out. Because if you go under the ice and you try to get back on the ice, usually it's so slippery and hard to get on the ice, so these spikes really help, so you can put the spikes on the ice and you can try to drag yourself out of the hole. Hopefully we never have to use them. Yeah, let's get this bad boy back on. Those are skiing trails. There's the dock. Amma went out exploring. She's trying to find a fire spot so we could cook some sausages. There are people ice fishing there.
You
speak English?
Yeah.
You know, how depth is this ice?
It's like 40 centimeters.
So they are doing ice fish. They were doing ice fishing yesterday.
Okay. Did they catch anything?
I think they caught something. They were doing something near Nokia.
Yeah, the Nordic small talk on ice is that whenever someone comes to speak to you, the only thing they're gonna ask is, how thick is the ice? So we're switching spots now because Amma really wants to make an open fire and cook some sausages. So we're headed for a better spot, and I'm still gonna try to catch some fish. Okay, the island is somewhere that way, so we're gonna be heading that way now. Oh God. Hello. Toi. Okay, it was too shallow there. I'm gonna go a bit further into the lake Maybe here. I've got a good feeling about this spot. The sausages are being made on the open fire. So, fingers crossed, I'm gonna catch something now. It seems like I was wrong again. This is a horrible spot. No action, and I bet the bottom is full of vegetation that just gets my lure all tangled up. So next spot, maybe there. Okay, I'm gonna join my girlfriend at the campfire now. Get my energy levels up and rehydrate myself. Ah, she's making some coffee as well. Bon appetit. While my coffee is dripping, I'll explore that little house there. Loads of firewood. Check it out. And this is all free to use here. But of course, don't abuse the system. Because if you abuse the system, that's when you lose all of these privileges. But hey, we've got a nice public fireplace and we've got all of this free firewood here. Pretty awesome. Campfire coffee. Okay, time is limited and we have to be somewhere in an hour, so I've got two options now. I could either go ice fishing and try to catch the fish, or I can drive full speed with the snowmobile. That's awesome. That's awesome. Give us your opinion, Amma.
Very good.
So that was our little day trip of testing out the snowmobile and doing some ice fishing. What do you think, Amma?
Very nice.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Thank you guys so much and see you guys in the next video.